YouTube, man, what the fuck going on, man? It's your boy Young Sniper coming back again with another banger video. And shit, y'all, in today's video, man, we had a little drama going on Instagram, you know what I'm saying, not too long ago. It was this dude named Vaughn, you know what I'm saying? She got a little BMW, and it's a 440, you know, that bitch got a B58, you already know, folks. They love to pair the VR30s with the B58s and shit. But he had a little shit done to his car, you know what I'm saying, downpipe tune. Like, bruh did some work to his car, you know, everybody know I'm still stocking shit. And bruh was just like doing, you know what I'm saying, a lot of just talking on the net and shit. And the shit just got to the point where I had, you know what I'm saying, I text bruh, and I'm like, bruh, you know what I'm saying, I just went off on bruh, you know what I'm saying. I ain't gonna say too much, it was just shit. I just told him real shit, and then I was just like, bruh, I'll slap your bitch ass, or you know what I'm saying, I'll dead ass, you know what I'm saying, because he had me fucked up. And then, boom, bruh, I left it at that, you know what I'm saying. Bruh ain't comment up under my shit no more. I ain't say nothing else, it was just that. Not too long ago, shit, I fuck around and I went to the track, like the other day. Hold on, I'm finna flip the camera. I'm just gonna make this bitch a POV, kid. I'm a POV and talk, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys just stay tuned for this. Look at this shit. All right, bet. Y'all excuse the dirty, you know what I'm saying, windshield and shit. This shit, I don't know, bro. It won't come out, bro. Oh, shit, I'm tweaking. See, it's not gonna get that clear, so fuck this shit, you know what I'm saying? But, cool, though. Boom. All right, go ahead and then continue to explain the story. So, the other day, I went down to the track, the Kiefer event. Had a little track thing going on down there in Middle Georgia Motorsports Park. Y'all already know. I like to go down there a lot. Been going down there since I was a kid type shit. So, boom, I take my ass down there. And, boom, as soon as I get down there, I see a lot of folks that I knew that was down there for shit show. I still didn't, make it towards the track. Because I was just now getting down there, bro. I went down there for that long at all. Probably, 45 minutes on some shit. Or an hour. I don't know. Probably less than that. I don't know for sure. But, shit, basically, I came in that motherfucker. I'm chilling and shit. And I seen Vaughn. He was on the track and shit. I ain't gonna do shit. I ain't gonna press this nigga or anything like that. And I don't know whole shit just because, bruh, I'm at a public place, my nigga. This is a event. This is not my event. I know how it feels to get your event fucked up. I done had some shit shot up. You know what I'm saying? My shit done got fucked up for real before. So I ain't trying to fuck nobody's shit up because that ain't the time or place. When y'all become mature, for y'all young niggas, it's probably like, bro, this nigga Young Snipe scared or anything like that, man. Fuck no, bro. It's called being mature, bro. You gotta be smart with this shit, bro. We could have went to the gas station and handled this shit for shit show, but out there, bro, that ain't, what the fuck? These folks almost just smacked my ass, but you know, I'm still getting up through there. Man, out there, bro, that's not the time nor place to be doing no shit like that, you know what I'm saying? Because that's somebody else's property, bro. Police can get called, bro. Needs to go to jail. There's a lot of shit that can go down with that shit. But boom, bro. I resume the story, man. Me, my dog, BJ, we at the car. We chilling. Literally standing out the car. We just sitting there chilling on some shit. Boom. Vaughn walk up on me with two niggas. Two niggas. Two black. I don't know. These niggas was security guards. Two big niggas. I'm like, what the fuck? This nigga got security like he Drake or some shit. God damn. But cool. Bro walk up. And shit, me and BJ just standing there looking at these niggas. He walked up on me and he was like, shit, what's up? I was like, what's going on? You know what I'm saying? And he was like, what was all that stuff you were saying on the net? You said you'll slap my bitch ass, right? I'm like, hell yeah. I said exactly like that. I said, yeah. He was like, oh, we can handle that shit right now. I was like, all right, bet, let's do it. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, right then and there, I was being a hot head, you know what I'm saying? I did have a little anger built up on some little shit. But, bruh, I don't know. I could have handled this situation multiple different ways, but I didn't. So, the way that I did handle it, y'all, I was like, shit, let's do it, bruh. You know what I'm saying? I had lost that mindset of this is somebody else's event, this is public grounds, all that other crazy shit. So, I fucking bruh, let's get it. He's like, all right, bet, let's go over here to the street or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, all right, bet, boom. Man, we go over there to the street. I'm straight beating this nigga, bro. I hit this nigga 4 times on my mama. And I know it got to be a video out here somewhere, bro, because there was so many cameras on us, bro. At the very beginning of the fight, we had our slides on, bro. I ain't come down there to fight because I know y'all probably like, why the fuck did you come to the track with slides on? I had shoes in the car, bruh. I didn't switch my shoes on some shit because I was freshly getting down there, nigga. I had like a little hour and 45-minute drive, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nigga was trying to chill, bruh. I had just got there. I was gonna put my shoes on when I went to the track because, you know, track sticky as fuck. That bitch taking socks off, nigga. I swear to God. But cool, though. Boom. Man, I fuck around and, damn, what I did. Man, these folks trim. Let me get up through here. Oh, yeah, give me this lane. Oh, yeah, give me this lane. Oh, yeah, give me this lane. Man, I'm him, y'all. This too easy. But, basically, shit. What was I saying? We get to hitting this shit, and boom, I done hit bruh a few times on shit. He done came out of slides. My slides still on. So I'm like, bruh, fuck this shit. I kick my slides off, nigga. I ain't even trying to slip and slide. I'm a clumsy ass nigga if y'all ain't know, bruh. And with that being said, bruh, I be, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, bruh. I'm a real big goof ass nigga, you know what I'm saying? I don't know hope like no lame shit, just on some funny shit, bruh. I don't know. I be tweet, bruh. I ain't gonna cap. But man, fuck it. Take my slides off and shit, and boom, we start back in. But we wasn't hitting, because this nigga wasn't even fighting back. He was running on some shit. I'm gonna drop the video after I do all the, well, probably it'd be playing while I'm doing all the talking. I'm gonna throw it in, you know what I'm saying, after I finish talking on some shit. And boom, man, after that, shit, he running and shit. He don't went on the fence. I'm just like, bro, fuck this shit. He all in the dirt and shit. I'm slipping and sliding. I'm like, oh, fuck no. Like I said, I'm a clumsy ass nigga. I probably could have swung on his goof ass and slip and fell, kid. You never know, bro. I don't know, bro. I got to get my balance right on some shit. But, man, fuck it. I just walked away from his bitch ass because I was just like, man, this nigga ain't, you know what I'm saying? He ain't with all that, bro. Like, he ain't want to fight for real. Somebody done boosted his head up. And he thought like, oh yeah, man, I'm finna go over here and pop my shit or whatever. And he most definitely came to pop his shit. And the shit was not popping at all. It was just, I don't know, man. I gave him that stank on shit for real, boy. He came over there with the shit. I put that stank on his ass, you know what I'm saying? But boom. Next thing you know, he's walking around. He was like, yeah, I got your bitch ass. And I'm gonna show y'all in the video where he missed like a motherfucker. I weaved the fuck out that nigga, you know what I'm saying? But cool. I'm like, bro, whatever, bro. I'm not doing no talking. I don't get no fucks no more. You a bitch. You don't prove what I knew. You know what I'm saying? So cool. What happened? After that, like I said, his brother and him running up on me or whatever, and then shit, they both, Vaughn swung, I swung at the same time. We hit each other at the same time on some shit. And boom, his brother was right there trying to hit me. I weave all his shit, like, instantly, like, come here. And then after I got done weaving all his shit and I got out the way, my boy BJ straight hit his goofy ass, knocked his ass out, nigga, straight on the ground, nigga, flopped. I was like, damn. And after that, somebody came over there saying that this was their track and all this other goofy ass shit. And then, boom, man, that was The shit that I post on social media when I be doing all the BMW talking and shit like that, nigga, bro, I don't be dead ass, nigga. I love BMWs, nigga. Them bitches hard as fuck, nigga, but I also love Infiniti because this is what I started in. So I'm not switching up for shit. And that's real. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's like going from blood to crip, bro. I can't do that. Not doing that, bro. I might get a BMW down the road, but I'm saying, though, like, niggas know I'm repping for the fin for shit show every single trip, bro. These motherfuckers, look, check me out. Check me out. You feel me? We get up through there in these motherfucking fin every trip. But, like I said, down the road, I could possibly get a BMW or anything like that. Y'all just got to stay tuned for everything.